Shenzhen R&d Animation Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, is a supplier of plastic toy, figure, vinyl products, resin figure, statue, coin bank, and keychain with well-equipped testing facilities and strong technical, guided by the values of service, happy, innovation, profession, share. We focus on customized services, strong at OEM and ODM services. With 5 outstanding 3D designers with many years of figure, toy design experience, which has richest strong development capability. Any 2D picture or 3D design can be developing into a real product by our designer. Just need 5 to 7 working days, even from an idea. We keep our sole aim is to provide high-quality products and excellent services to customers at reasonable prices. We service for about 4,300 customers per year, and we have gotten good reviews from them. Our team have 30 experienced mold engineers and 8 product QC, which can keep each item we make at the top quality. And it also makes our team too especially popular for the Sofubi and collection figure market. In the past year, we have made about 100 items in this market. All of our products can pass EN71 CE test. For more information about our company and products, please feel free to contact us directly. We promise we will give you a satisfactory and professional response.